Hey there, Mora family. Here you go. This is the brand new 2019 EXL nav res with that mocha interior. It just came in. If you notice, you still see the plastic on the steering wheel. Same feature, same function. Just exterior now will be white. That way you can see it here. Okay. I just need to know what time you guys are going to be here so that you can take a look at it in person today. Get a good sneak peek view there. All right, 2 miles. Give me a call, 205-519-1710. That's Mary Elizabeth. Can't wait to see you guys again. Bye.